Standard on every BMW iDrive system, utilize the programmable memory buttons. Program up to 8 buttons to remember your favorite radio stations, phone numbers, destinations, and more. To program your favorite radio station, find the station on the iDrive system and press and hold the desired button. To program a telephone number, go to the telephone function on the screen, scroll and find the contact, then push and hold the desired button. To program an address, go to the main menu and open up the navigation screen. Go to Last Destinations and find the desired address. Then press and hold the button. With the programmable memory buttons, your BMW won't forget what's important to you. For more information on this topic or others, you can download the BMW Genius app, call and schedule an appointment, or come in at BMW of North Haven today.